This video is dedicated for homeowners, especially this client in Apopka who requests to vacuum and clean the popcorn ceiling using our professional equipment, HEPA vacuum and a HEPA vacuum filtrations. I'm going to explain you a little bit how a post remodeling cleaning works. Even though the contractor took care about the dust control, installing the plastic cover for fixture lamps, we also were dealing not only for construction dust on walls, ceiling, light fixtures, but we also dealing with a heavy-duty house cleaning. What that means, previously, the owner hired the contractor and do the post-remodeling. The bathrooms were covered with mineral deposit in the shower glass. We found out a lot of grease in the kitchen cabinets. So this is a post-remodeling cleaning plus a deep house cleaning. So we start from top to bottom using professional equipment, HEPA backpack vacuum, and we have the proper extension and the poles, the brushes to brush and remove the fine dust from the popcorn ceiling. That's called the vacuum high popcorn ceiling, where you can see it right now, where all the dust is trapped inside the vacuum, inside the HEPA filtration. Then we vacuum the top of the kitchen, removing all the dust, following but really scrubbing, and you will see right now, scrubbing the grease on top of the kitchen cabinets. So people may say, okay, I need a post-remodeling cleaning, but in reality they don't know exactly how the job is gonna be performed. A lot of things to think about this. Ceiling fans, light fixtures. If you have popcorn ceiling, it is more complicated. Removing the plastic protectors. In the laundry area, the racks, the metal white rack that you are seeing, was with grease, all dirt. So people remodel part of the houses. Maybe people are removing just the floor. In this case, they remove the old tile and they install the plank laminate floor. In the bathrooms, we have another person to deal with the bathroom, with the mineral deposit to the shower glass, to the toilet, to the sink, and everything. Even we clean part of the garage where all the furniture was there. Dealing with mineral deposit, you need to have a special product to do that. It takes time. That's the reason people hire us, not only to wipe and dust a little bit the surface. It's more than that, and this is the reason why I'm making this video, so the homeowners will have a better idea the type of service that we provide. This is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and you can contact me at 407-572-4118. Visit our webpage, anyhousecleaning.com. We have a lot of videos on YouTube how to do this kind of job. Thank you for watching. 407-572-4118.